What we see and what is shown to be true is that when women and men are leading equally, companies perform at their best. So how do you get there?
Take ownership of your leadership journey.
Bosses, colleagues, and team members perceive your presence as a leader based on how you communicate.
These are not nice-to-have soft skills. When you communicate effectively, you'll build the career scaffolding and support you need for leadership.
You'll project increased confidence in your ability to lead, have more immediate impact, and a voice that is heard.
That's why we developed Leadership Presence for Women.
We co-created it with a whole bunch of partners, senior executives, directors, and leaders who know that having more women high potentials in the pipeline is a good thing for everyone.
We've worked with so many clients over the years who agree that there are unique challenges for women. Speaking up, getting to the point, navigating situational dynamics, and separating their reaction from their response.
We designed this course to provide tactical tools to take these challenges head on.
We provide the methodology, tips, best practices, and expert coaches. You bring your experience and your situation, and so does every other woman in the room.
This is one of the best parts of the day, maybe even my favorite part of the experience.
Connecting with other women in the room is so incredibly powerful.
With peer feedback and coaching on challenges and dynamics that so many of us have experienced as women,
we strengthen each other to be better prepared for things like handling interruptions, dealing with unconscious bias, and people repeating our ideas as their own.
Join us.
Fast track your communication skills now.
Don't wait for that big opportunity to project confidence and polish up your presence. Take ownership of your leadership journey.
See you soon.